as the team manager. The Leopard side, Charles Ocheng, you might just want to look at any name that you think has already performed on the senior side, but Leopards parading a totally new outfit in terms of the youngsters. Rapemo and you've got Ali Hassan, Jacob, don't they?
Well, clearly here, Major undoing here.
Oh, this one.